Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this delightful, tasty, vegan coconut bread. So in my mixing bowl I already have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of yeast. I'm going to quickly mix these ingredients together. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of grated coconut. Then I'm going to mix that together quickly. This is 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And again, we're going to mix that with the rest of the ingredients. So I have here about ½ cup of lukewarm water. I'm going to gradually add it to the ingredients and mix everything together. First, I'm going to use my spatula, and then halfway through that, I'm going to use my hands to complete the process to form this ingredients into a dough. After the dough has been formed, I am going to use a paper towel, a damp paper towel, to cover the dough and allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. After that time has passed, I will knead the dough again. And then fold it as you see here in this video, and place this folded dough into my greased bread pan. Next, I'm going to cover with a damp paper towel again and allow this to rest until the dough has fully risen. Now that the dough has nicely risen, I'm going to put it in the oven, which is set at 350 degrees. Baking time is about 20 to 25 minutes. After that time has passed, look at how my bread is looking. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I am so happy. I'm so excited. So I'll allow it to cool before cutting into it. Okay guys, here I go. Look at this. Look at this coconut bread. Coconut vegan bread. Yeah, baby. Okay guys, this is so delightful. I hope you try it and let me know what you think about it. And if you do try it, leave a link, send me a picture on Facebook via direct message, and I'll get it and share it with my friends on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. All right, take care guys. Bye and be safe. Much love, Martina.